Hello everyone, welcome back to J Huxtello iTech. I'm Jest, and today we're going to help all the professional teachers in Ghana who are preparing for their promotions. Whether you're aiming for Principal Superintendent, Assistant Director I or II, or Deputy Director, this video is for you. Let's dive into the process and share some valuable resources to help you succeed. Every year, teachers in Ghana have the opportunity to be promoted to various ranks within the education sector. These ranks include Principal Superintendent, Assistant Director I and II, and Deputy Director. However, to achieve these promotions, teachers must pass an aptitude test. So, what does the aptitude test involve? The test typically includes questions about the general facts and history of our educational system, the latest and trending issues in education, and current affairs. It's designed to ensure that you are well informed and prepared for the responsibilities that come with your new role. Preparation is key to passing the aptitude test. On this page, we've assembled a number of trial questions specifically for educational purposes. These questions will help you get a feel for the type of content you'll be tested on and allow you to practice regularly. I've included a download link in the description below where you can access these trial questions. Make sure to click the link and use the questions for your daily studies as you prepare for the test. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow teachers, and don't forget to subscribe to J Huxtello iTech for more updates and educational resources. Good luck with your studies and your promotion test.